Welcome to Odisha. Would you trust a robot to do your taxes or decide if your road gets built? Sounds like science fiction, right? But this is real. Odisha, a state on India's east coast, has hired artificial intelligence to work in government offices. These aren't walking, talking robots. They're smart computer programs, digital assistants inside government computers. Odisha is the first in India to try this bold idea, putting AI helpers in many departments to transform how government works. Why? The government manages mountains of paperwork, health, schools, farming, and more. AI helps sort through all this data, making the government more efficient and future-ready. In April 2025, Odisha required all government workers to learn about AI, from top bosses to new hires. This training was step one. Step two, bring AI into the office. These AI officers are part of a bigger plan to modernize governance. Odisha, known for its temples and beaches, is now making headlines for its tech-forward government. The world is watching to see what happens next. It's a fascinating story, an ancient land using new tools to solve modern problems. The experiment is underway and the stakes are high. Let's see what these digital officers actually do. So, what do these digital officers do? They're like super assistants. No lunch breaks, no complaints, just non-stop work. Imagine you're a government officer with a mountain of files. The AI can read and analyze them in seconds. It spots patterns, highlights urgent issues, and helps target resources like flagging a health outbreak or tracking project progress. AI speeds up paperwork, processes applications and checks for missing info, cutting down long waits for citizens. It summarizes reports, freeing human officers to focus on real-world problem solving. The AI is a data expert, turning massive information into clear, actionable advice. It helps prioritize tasks and suggest solutions, but humans always make the final call. Think of it as the world's best researcher, helping public servants serve better every day. The result? Faster, smarter, and more responsive government services. AI doesn't replace people, it empowers them. Odisha's digital officers are changing how government works, one file at a time. The impact is already being felt across departments. Citizens notice the difference. The future of public service is here. But why is AI so essential? Why bring AI into government? Because today's governments handle oceans of data: health, education, weather, and more. For a state like Odisha, it's impossible for humans alone to keep up. Many services are time-sensitive. Farmers need help before planting. Health crises need instant response. AI analyzes data in real time, closing the gap between problems and solutions. It's not just about speed. AI brings smart help, combining data from many sources to guide decisions. For example, deciding where to build a hospital means weighing population access and need. AI brings it all together. The goal: cut red tape, automate repetitive tasks, and let public servants focus on people, not paperwork. AI makes government more responsive and effective. Odisha's experiment is about serving citizens better, faster, and smarter. It's a leap toward a future-ready government. The benefits are clear, but what's powering these digital officers? Let's look at the tech behind the scenes. The tools are as fascinating as the results. What powers these AI officers? Advanced natural language models like ChatGPT, trained to understand and use human language. They read reports, summarize emails, and understand government jargon customized for Odisha's needs. These models are fed huge amounts of text and tailored to Indian administration and local policies. But language is just part of it. Predictive analytics lets AI spot trends and forecast problems, like predicting poor harvests from weather data. This tech is at the heart of Odisha's new deep neural network lab in Bhubaneswar, driving smarter AI for government and beyond. The combination of language skills and predictive power makes these digital officers invaluable. They're not just assistants, they're strategic partners. Odisha's investment in AI research is setting a new standard. The technology is evolving fast. The state is building a foundation for smarter governance. But how is it working so far? Early results from Odisha's AI experiment are promising. Decisions that took weeks now happen in days or hours. Government benefits reach people faster, with applications checked and processed almost instantly. Red tape is shrinking. Citizens spend less time waiting and more time getting help. AI also spots problems like irregular spending or ineligible benefits, boosting transparency and accountability. Human officers are freed from repetitive tasks, spending more time with communities and solving real problems. The partnership between AI and people is making government more creative and connected. Citizens are noticing the difference: faster service, fewer delays, and a sense that government is finally working for them. Odisha's digital officers are delivering real results. The experiment is off to a strong start. But what about privacy and jobs? Exciting as AI officers are, they raise big questions. First, data privacy. The government holds sensitive information. Keeping it safe is crucial. Strong security and clear rules are essential to protect citizens' data. Second, bias. AI learns from past data, so old biases can creep in. Developers must ensure fairness and equal treatment. Third, jobs. Will AI replace people? Odisha says no. The goal is to empower, not replace public servants. AI handles routine work. Humans focus on complex, creative, and empathetic tasks. Retraining is key for a future where humans and AI work side by side. Odisha's experiment could shape the future of governance worldwide. The potential is huge, but so are the risks. Balancing innovation with privacy, fairness, and dignity is vital. Would you trust a robot in a government office? The answer may shape our future. Odisha is leading the way. Are we ready to follow?